Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? Yeah, all are very good. I am also very fine. Okay, so successfully we completed the lesson What I Wear. What I Wear about clothes we discussed in this lesson. Correct or not? I told first about the story of the cloth. Next, I said about the how to make the cloth, and again how to dye the cloth and what are the different kinds of patterns. Okay, then what are the stitched cloths and what are the unstitched clothes. Okay, so yesterday I given home task to you know. So 4 questions I gave in the previous video. So what are that? Means by using the wax, using the what is that method I given now. First question answer is about a batik. Batik is the method. Next question what I given. So about the means which chikankari I given no. Chikankari embroidery works given to the UP Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next I asked about the unstitched clothes, unstitched garments. So unstitched means examples are saris and dhotis. Next I given stitched clothes, examples of stitched garments I given no. Then you can write a kurta pajamas or you can write a uniform. Otherwise you can write a salwar suits also, anything. Okay, I asked only 2. That is about the yesterday answers. Okay, so today we will discuss about the what are the topics given in our lesson. Okay, what are the bits given. We are discussing about the bits today. Okay, so first we will learn about some different words are given in your textbook ma. So different kinds of terms are given. So page number 12, open the page number 12. So while watching the video, I am giving the page numbers 2. So this topic is belong to the page number 14. Page number 14. Okay. So what is that word? Here one word is given. So what is that? Applied. What is the meaning of applied? Put colors. Applying colors no? Then put colors. What is the meaning of applied? Put. Next given fabric, F-A-B-R-I-C, fabric. What is meant by fabric? The material used for making clothes. Making clothes purpose using the materials, no? Those are called a fabric. Next, garments. Garments are nothing but clothes. Garments are nothing but clothes. Next, indigo. What is the meaning by indigo color not? I told about the indigo, natural dye purpose. Okay, natural dye time I told about indigo. It is a plant. Next, loom. Loom is nothing but the machine. Loom is example for machine. Handloom, power loom I explained. Okay. Next, obtained. So obtained means where we are getting cotton. Cotton is obtained from the cotton plant. Means it is nothing but receiving. We are receiving the cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, so what is the meaning of obtain? Nothing but the receiving. Obtain means receiving. Next, seep in, flow into. Seep in, flow into. What is the meaning of seep in? Flow into. Next, solution. Solution means mixture. What is the solution? Mixture. Where you heard this solution ma? Yeah, put in the solution, dyeing purpose. In the process of dyeing, we use this term solution. So solution means it is nothing but the mixture. Next, technique. What is the technique meaning is process. Technique meaning is process. P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process. Next, today we are learning about the true or false. So I will write on the board. True or false I will write on the board. Then you can easily understand it. So first one is in A bit. A bit. We are discussing about the A bit now. So A bit, first one, the color, first one, the color of cloth can be changed using a dye. Okay, so what are these? This bit is true or false? True or false? Next one, chemical dyes. So second one, chemical dyes. Chemical dyes. Chemical dyes are obtained from plants. From plants. Next, kalamkari. Kalamkari is used in printing. Next, the pattern of embroidery varies from one state of India to another. Next, kurta pajama are unstitched garments. Unstitched garments. Okay, write down. So now we will discuss the true or false. So what is the question mark? The color of cloth can be changed using dye. So color of the cloth is changing now. For example, original color already I said now. So when we color, the color of the cloth is changing or not? So what does it mean? It is true or false? Yeah, it is true. Next, chemical dyes are obtained from plants. Chemical dyes are obtained from plants? No, natural dyes are coming from the plant. Obtained means receiving from the plants. But here what they given? Chemical dyes are obtained from the plant. So is it true? No, it is false. Next listen. Kalamkari is used in printing. No, not only used in printing. Painting purpose also kalamkari is used. What is meant by kalamkari? It is the design. It is the pattern. Okay. So kalamkari is used in printing. Only printing given. So we want to painting also no. So printing and then painting. So painting not given now. So it is true or false? False. Next, the pattern of embroidery varies from one state of India to another. Different states are having different embroidery works. No, I told about the kalamkari, fulkari, kanta. Okay, so that is why it is the true. It is the true. Next, kurta paijamas are unstitched garments. Kurta paijamas are unstitched garments. We are not stitching the kurtas. Unstitched garments examples what I said about the unstitched garment means sarees and dhotis. But here given kurta paijamas. Those are the stitched garments. So it is example for it is a true or false? False. Okay children. So you should write in the textbook. So you should write by looking this, and you should write in the textbook what are the bits are given. So first one is true, second one is false, third one is false, and the fourth one is true, and the fifth one is garments false. Okay, next. So what you do now? So write this in the bits, and again I will give the B bit also. You should read it. You should read it properly. Yeah. So we will discuss about the B bit now. Now we discuss about the. So this page is 14 and again 15 also. Before bit present in only 14 page. Now it is in 15 page also. Yeah. So listen. First one. B bit first one. Okay. So what is that? Give one word. Give one word. Give one word. Okay. So what is that? Name the process. First question is name the process. Name the process in which a piece of cloth is made using wool. So what that process? Listen. Second question. Give an example. Give one example of a natural dye. A natural dye. Next, name the type of embroidery practiced in Punjab. Okay, what that embroidery type? You should write. Now I will say that. Okay, so first one, name the process in which a piece of cloth is made using wool. So what that process? Knitting. Okay, I am not going to write now. Okay, you should remember that is only I am giving as a home task. Okay, I am giving that only home task to you. So what is a home task now? Name the process in which a piece of cloth is made using wool. Okay, what is that? Already I told now. So that is knitting process. Okay, I don't say, you should write it. Next, give an example of natural dye. I told about the natural dyes and chemical dyes. Natural dyes, many examples I given about spinach, turmeric powder and turmeric, and I given about indigo. Okay, next henna. So different kinds of plants I given to you. Okay, so you should write only one example. Name the type of embroidery practiced in Punjab. So Uttar Pradesh, what is that? Uttar Pradesh we call given now in your previous video, that is a kalankari and fulkari. Fulkari is used in the Punjab. Okay, next I given about the West Bengal type. What is that? West Bengal. In West Bengal they are using the kanta. Okay, so these are, and these three you should write, and you should write the meaning also. Second bit, write the meanings. Okay. So first you should write meaning to loom. What is meant by loom? Okay. You should write what is the meaning of loom. Second one, you write a solution. You write a solution. Okay. Write meanings to these words. Loom and solution. Okay. So once again we can revise the bits now. We can revise the bits. The color of cloth can be changed using a dye. It is true. Chemical dyes are obtained from plants. What is that? False. Next, kalankari is used only in printing. False. It is used in again painting also. Next, the pattern of embroidery varies from one state of India to another. Changing now. So it is example. It is a true. Next, kurta pajamas are unstitched garments. Okay. So this is the true or false. It is the false one. Okay. Next, I given this to you. So this is only your home task. So what is that? One word answers. Already I explained this one now. Then you should write the answer for this along with these three and write the meanings of loom and again solution. Okay. So this is the home task to you. So till this we completed the second lesson and second lesson back bits are given now. So today I discussed that bits only. Okay. Watch the video carefully. Write the answers and send to the WhatsApp group. Don't forget to write. You have more time to, so use it properly and write the answers. Don't be absent. Okay. Send the answers. Okay. Good. Till that we finish that. Then we will meet in the next class. Okay. Goodbye children.